Okay, column vectors questions. So we just substitute in the vector A and times the top and bottom number by 2, and that gives us our vector 2A. We substitute in B and C into the algebra, write out in full like this. And then we multiply the top line, 3 times 1, to get 3. And we're taking away -7 to get the top number. The bottom number is 3 times 7. Oh, and put the 0 in. And we're taking away 0 to get the bottom number. So if we gather all those terms together, we're going to get 10, 21. So finding the magnitude of a column vector, we have to square both numbers, remembering, of course, that the -2 needs to be squared to make 4. So it's root 29, not root 21. If it's root 21, you've made a mistake. You needed brackets around that -2.